AirConf method 1. Hello everybody, I will introduce how to use the method 1 with the AirConf. We use this method to simply print from the iPad to the printer only with no internet. The iPad and the AirConf will not be connected to internet. If you need internet, you will need to see the other method. The AirConf itself is a computer and also a router. The AirConf will provide its own Wi-Fi that we call the AirConf Wi-Fi. Therefore, when you use this method, you do not need this USB antenna. How it works? Printer power on and you plug the printer first. After you plug the power, you have to wait 2-3 minutes until you see the SSID name of your AirConf appear in the Wi-Fi list. Then is this one. Password is this one. Now your iPad is connected directly to the AirConf in 5G. That is the default mode or the Wi-Fi mode. From there, you can print a photo from the photo app to test that everything is okay. I have the photo and you select share. And on the share button below here, you will see print. On the printer, you can select several formats, 4x6, 2x2x6 or 4x8. You have to be careful that the format that you selected here is the paper inside is this paper. Then here, this one is a 4x6 and I select print. It takes a couple seconds from there to print. The AirConf will not tell you if the paper is jammed or the paper size is not the right one. It will not tell you if there is an error. Et voilà, now it's printing. Takes a couple seconds from after I push the print button. Et voilà. Now I will show you the web interface of the AirConf. Then you have to open Safari. Then from in this Safari, you have to enter the address 172.24.1.1 that is written here. 172.24.1. The web interface is hosted by the AirConf. Therefore, you need to be connected to the AirConf Wi-Fi to access to it. If the iPad is connected to another Wi-Fi, you won't have access to the AirConf web interface. The only way is to connect the iPad to the AirConf Wi-Fi, then after enter the address. Sometimes, if you unplug the power of the AirConf and you replug the power later, the iPad will switch to another Wi-Fi. Then you have to reswitch the iPad to the AirConf Wi-Fi to access to it. And then I will show you how to use the AirConf web interface. Again, when you use the AirConf web interface, you have to be connected. The iPad has to be connected to the AirConf. The web interface is hosted by the AirConf itself. Enter the address 172.24.1.1 on Safari. After, when you select the printer menu, you can select to display or not display on the AirPrint printer list which format you want to print. On the AirConf Wi-Fi menu, you can change the AirConf name. You can put your company name. You can change the channel of the 2G. You can also change the channel of the 5G Wi-Fi. You can select 5G or 2G Wi-Fi. The default mode is 5G. And finally, you can change the password to a simpler one, ABCD1234, or leave the password, the default factory password. Method 1 N.